Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos about affordable beauty, beauty on a budget, and when you do decide to splurge and buy that occasional high-end item, I like to help you make the most of the money that you do spend. So if that sounds good to you, you are in the right place. So a couple months ago, I did my very first Shop Miss A haul. I had never shopped on the website before, and I was kind of behind on hearing about it, but I did, and I got a lot of great products. And so when I received everything, I went ahead and did a full face. But when I did that haul and I was on the website, they were sold out of a lot of things. And so when I went to go buy one of the eyeshadow kits, I had to get my second choice because my first choice was sold out. And so I ended up buying the date night palette, and I have also done a 2 looks 1 palette with that, and I will have that linked below along with the haul, along with my full face of Shop Miss A products. So those will all be linked down below. So anyways, I really wanted the Foxy palette, but again, it was sold out. So actually a friend of mine that I do know in real life, she's part of my magic family, also part of my YouTube family as well. She saw that video and she decided to buy a bunch of stuff off their website, and when she did, the Foxy palette was in stock and she sent it to me, and I just thought that that was the sweetest thing. So thank you so much again for picking this up for me and thinking of me. I haven't been on the website since I made that order, so that was really sweet. Thank you so much. And so I decided to go ahead and do a 3 looks 1 palette with it, and so this is what it looks like. And this is just the order I put everything in. Of course, if you know anything about these palettes, it's actually a magnetic palette and the little colors pop out. I'll actually pop a picture from before I opened it. It comes with the magnetic palette and then 9 little boxes that have each of the eyeshadows in them. And I don't think my other one has this, but these ones on the back have the name, so that's really great. And of course you can place them in any order that you like, and it has a good selection of mattes and shimmers, and so I thought this was so pretty. So the first thing I wanted to do with this was do a 3 looks 1 palette video. So I'm very excited to finally get to it. I've had this for a couple weeks now and just now got around to filming this. And before we get into today's video, I want to invite you to subscribe if you love affordable beauty content. So definitely hit that subscribe button, become what I love to call one of my Dollar Divas, and make sure you hit that bell notification as well. That way you are notified when an upload comes up. So if you want to see how I got this look plus 2 others, definitely keep on watching. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I got 3 different looks with this palette. In this video, I did use all of the colors, which was really great. I'm very happy. I really tried to do that with this one. I don't know if I achieved that with the other one or not. Drop a comment if you have this one or any of the other palettes, the date night or one of the other ones that they have, and which look was your favorite, number 1, 2, or 3. Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. It helps me and my channel out so much. If you're still watching and have not subscribed, please make sure you do that for me. And thank you so much to my friend who got this palette for me. I really appreciate it. I love it. I'm so happy to have it in my collection. I will also have all of my multiple look 1 palette videos linked below. I think I've got some that are 4 looks, 2 looks, 3 looks. I will have those all linked below, as well as all of the Shop Miss A videos I have done. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.